Alright guys, we're going to practice some words. They have letters that we've just been practicing, like the F's, the B's, and the H's. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to practice tracing each of these words, and then you are going to practice writing them with me. So our first word is beef. So we're going to practice tracing it together. There we go. We're going to practice tracing. We're going to go down, up, and around. And then our E's. And then our F. Remember, F starts at the top, kind of on the side, up, around, and down. And then we cross it. And now we're going to practice writing it on our own. You can line up your letters with the letters on the top if you'd like. So if you line up your letters from the top to the bottom, that'll help keep them in order. And remember, when we're writing words, we got to keep the letters close together. Okay, so they have to be near one another so that we know all those letters belong to one word in particular. So we're going to start with our B. For B, down, up, around, and connect. And then our E. They don't have to touch one another, but they do need to be close to one another. Okay. And then our F, we know, starts kind of off to the side. And there. My letters are a little closer together than the ones on the top, but it's the same thing. So you guys can, it doesn't have to be perfectly the same as the ones on the top, but you just got to remember to keep those letters close together. Our next word is bath. So we're going to practice our B. We're going to trace our B, our A, T, and our H. Okay. Now we're going to write the word bath. B, A, T, H. Perfect. Okay. Fish. F. Sorry, I started at the wrong place. I. Don't forget the dot at the top. S. H. Now we're going to practice writing it. F. I. Don't forget to dot it. S. H. Perfect. And you can check your fish. Alright, so now we have a sentence. Jeff saw a fire. So we are going to practice tracing this whole sentence together, and then we are going to write it together. Okay, so we're going to trace the entire thing and then write the entire thing. So we're going to start with our capital J. In the middle, go down and loop around. And put a hat on it. And then our E, F, F, S, A, W, A, F I R E. And don't forget to put that period at the end of our sentence. Alright, so now we're going to practice writing our sentence together. So remember our J, our capital J, our starting point is in the middle. Down and loop around, and then you put a hat on the top. E F F S A Sol Trying to move this down so you can see it all perfectly. F I R E. Perfect. And bring down our period for the end of our sentence. And if your sentence looks like the one above, you can go ahead and give yourself a big check in that box. And that is our sentence. Jeff saw a fire.